concentrate on Master of Engineering in DDM. As you see, we are also in the middle of Germany in the south, but also surrounded by many interesting and well-known companies. Mercedes is just 10 minutes by S-Bahn around the corner, and Bosch also in Stuttgart, and Esslingen is like 15 minutes far from Stuttgart. So this all these companies which you see here are quite easy to reach. Yeah. The DDM, design and development. We have two parts, automotive and mechanical engineering. Also for both subjects and applications from students with a background in automotive and background in mechanical engineering, you can apply for the design and development program. You can work later for OEMs and their suppliers in process engineering, simulation and production technology, consulting and development. Here you see the overview about this 3 semester. At University of Applied Science, you have 3 semester master and 7 semester bachelor, so that there are 5 years altogether later on. In the first semester, you have numerical methods, design development, dynamics, as you see, and integrity of structures, advanced materials engineering, vibrations and acoustic. In the second semester, you have the continuation of design development 1 and 2, so 2, then vibration and acoustic 2, and you have a project work in small groups, like 3 or 4 students in one group, work on different topics. We have usually like 6 to 8 topics which students can choose, and and advanced materials technology. We have now in our program, which started in September, 28 students. Like we have 25 places, but we started with 28 students from 16 countries. And so it's a lot of intercultural communications. Yeah, you can learn a lot of languages also if you like. In the third semester, we have the master thesis in soft skills. There you also learn how to present a topic, how to present yourself, and how to apply also for a master thesis. There will be a seminar, how to apply, how to do it, because some countries they're not used to like to write cover letters and something like that, and they have to learn, or they give some hints how to do it. What we require is a bachelor degree, as I said in the beginning, either in automotive or in mechanical engineering. Then we, as the program is in English, of course, we need also English language test in either TOEFL test or IELTS test. As you see, we require like 71 points in internet-based test in TOEFL, or 6 points in IELTS. If you study in English, of course, you don't need to do a test. It's then obsolete. You don't have to do it. We have study fees of 1,500 euro per semester, but only for those who are non-European. Also, European students don't have to pay the study fees. There's only an enrollment fee of 160 euro for each student, additional to the study fees if you are from countries, from non-European countries. And we have housing guarantee for students. We have 4 different dormitories. Students can select and choose which dormitory they want to live in. It's around 300 euro a month. And we have application deadline end of March, starting in November of each year to apply for the study program. This is also MBA program. The start is in September, 1st of September. We start with a German intensive course, like 7 hours a day. It's paid by us for the students, on behalf of the students, because they're interested, I guess, to learn German. As at the second semester, end of the second semester, we require the level A2 in German. because in the third semester you will start with a master thesis in industry, and usually interviews are already given in German. So they want to have at least basic knowledge in German in order to work there. So that's what they require. So our requirement is you can start like with A1 coming here in September, and then you can make up to the A2 level at the end of the second semester. And first and second semester you have lectures at the university, and third semester master thesis, which mainly is done in the industry. But it can be also done in a lab if students prefer that. Our student life, you can see here the pictures. We have a really nice Christmas market and also a medieval market, because it's a medieval city, and this is quite special. This is offered again since last year, and you can also could take part in Formula students. You see the one of our Boliden. They're quite good in their race, in the competition in Germany and in Europe. Usually get one of the first places. There is quite interesting, yeah. And then we have also Gründ-S, which means we have if you want to start a company, you have ideas, you want to have any ideas for do your own thing to develop a plan and a project, you can could do so and could get some support in our university. Genau. We have a student service. You get support from us in personal matters, and also like finding also the right dormitory or the excursions to places in Germany around Esslingen and Stuttgart until Lake Constance and Tübingen, Ludwigsburg. Also many nice places, which is also offered in September. And then end of September, like this year, lectures are starting. And you get also direct supervision from advisors in all academic matters. And we have also a career center in case you're looking for a part-time job or later for a job. They could help you and give you some hints and concerning companies and so on. And as we are the University of Applied Science, we have a lot of our professors. They have each professor has 5 years experiences in industry. And as we are here in the Center of Automotive and Mechanical engineering companies, you find a lot of professors who have connections to Bosch or to Porsche or to Mercedes-Benz or all these companies around. Genau. The career prospect, how to find a job, or what time you may be able to find a job after examination is like 1 year latest. Most of the students, 88%, have a job. Some like nearly half after 1 month, or 3 months, 60% after a half year. The university is quite well known in this area, and so many students have good chances to get a good job. So maybe we see you next time. This is the old city hall. We have 3 city halls. This is the oldest one, and we celebrate in one of the rooms in the first floor each year. And so it's one of our groups of our graduation students. So maybe next time you will be there among those. Our address is email address M.Eng Master of Engineering @hs-esslingen.de. Genau, for the MBA, but maybe you concentrate on the technical applications, as this was the topic today.